All right, quick video about these clusters for the STX 15F Ultra, the 12Fs when they fail. This one's got water in it, doesn't do anything. We bypassed, it was stuck in slow mode, and we bypassed it with wire grounding to the battery. I did another video on that, but now it's replaced. So I'll just do a quick run through. There's a new display. I got it on eBay from Japan. It was like 900 bucks. And when I got it, the screen was actually not glued on. So I had to do that, but I saved a couple dollars having to glue that display on myself, which I kind of liked it because I was able to seal it up really good. But I didn't see any videos on how to actually put that display in, and I could see people trying to like pry this off and break stuff. But all you have to do, first thing, there is Phillips head screws up in here, 4 of them. And you can get this rubber piece up and off. There's a piece of foam in there that slides off once you get this rubber off. Got 2 10 millimeters under here, 2 10 millimeters here, 3 here. There's no nuts or anything. Underneath this is a plate that you unthread. Just hold the plate, and you can take this whole mirror off. Pop this out, and there's a 12 millimeter nut. Take the nut off. This pops right off. Then you're able to lift this whole plastic cover right up, slide it up the handlebars, because this will be gone. The handlebars can stay on everything, just this rubber and the foam will be gone. And then this display is held on with 2 little 8 millimeter headed screws in the back. Super simple. You can just reach your hand up underneath, take it off, slide it up out. Connectors are these ones, and they'll go up there. Where the wires come through, they're right in this area. You take 2 10 millimeter head bolts out, and there's a metal plate. You just slide that plate up, and there's a slot in it. You can take it off the wires, and the wires are in a rubber grommet. Just pull those up out one at a time, and then basically you'll see from there, when you're underneath there, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can put the new panel through, bolt it in, everything, put your wires down through, connect them. But it's pretty simple. It's just, when you look at it, you're like, what all do I have to take off here? And that little summary should help you out. You won't break anything that way, so that'll get you going.